Mastering compliance audits. Compliance audits ignite a culture of excellence, or risk catastrophic failure. Why do effective compliance audits play a crucial role in cultivating a culture of compliance and operational excellence within an organization, and how can its integration into existing processes and procedures help to identify areas for improvement and drive continuous growth and development? Effective compliance audits play a vital role in fostering a culture of compliance and operational excellence within an organization by providing a systematic and structured approach to evaluating the effectiveness of its risk management, internal controls, and governance processes. Compliance audits are a crucial tool for identifying weaknesses, inefficiencies, and non-compliance with regulatory requirements, industry standards, and internal policies, which can have a significant impact on an organization's reputation, financial performance, and operational resilience. A well-integrated compliance audit program helps to cultivate a culture of compliance and operational excellence by promoting accountability, transparency, and a risk-aware mindset across the organization. By regularly assessing the design and operating effectiveness of internal controls, compliance audits help to identify areas of non-compliance, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement, enabling the organization to take corrective action and implement enhancements to mitigate risks and optimize business processes. The integration of compliance audits into existing processes and procedures is essential for driving continuous growth and development. By leveraging compliance audits as a tool for operational excellence, organizations can 1. Identify areas for improvement. Compliance audits provide a comprehensive view of an organization's internal controls, risk management, and governance processes, enabling the identification of areas for improvement, inefficiencies, and non-compliance. 2. Drive process enhancements. By addressing weaknesses and inefficiencies identified through compliance audits, organizations can implement process enhancements, optimize business operations, and improve overall performance. 3. Mitigate risks. Compliance audits help organizations identify and assess risks, enabling the implementation of targeted risk mitigation strategies and controls to minimize the likelihood and impact of potential risks. 4. Enhance governance. Compliance audits promote effective governance by ensuring that board members, executives, and management are aware of the organization's risks, internal controls, and compliance posture, enabling informed decision-making and strategic planning. 5. Foster a culture of compliance. Regular compliance audits demonstrate an organization's commitment to compliance and ethical business practices, fostering a culture of compliance and encouraging employees to take ownership of risk management and internal controls. 6. Improve transparency and accountability. Compliance audits provide stakeholders with assurance that the organization is committed to transparency, accountability, and good governance, enhancing stakeholder trust and confidence. 7. Optimize resource allocation. Compliance audits help organizations optimize resource allocation by identifying areas where resources can be redirected or optimized to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. 8. Support continuous monitoring and improvement. Compliance audits facilitate continuous monitoring and improvement by providing a framework for ongoing risk assessment, control evaluation, and process refinement. To achieve operational excellence through effective compliance audits, organizations should 1. Establish a robust audit program. Develop a comprehensive audit program that covers all aspects of the organization's operations, including risk management, internal controls, and governance processes. 2. Define clear audit objectives and scope. Clearly define audit objectives, scope, and criteria to ensure that compliance audits are focused, efficient, and effective. 3. Conduct regular audits. Perform regular compliance audits to ensure that internal controls, risk management, and governance processes are operating effectively and aligned with organizational objectives. 4. Engage stakeholders. Involve relevant stakeholders, including board members, executives, management, and employees, in the audit process to ensure that findings and recommendations are understood and implemented. 5. Implement audit findings and recommendations. Timely implement audit findings and recommendations to address weaknesses, inefficiencies, and non-compliance, and to capitalize on opportunities for improvement. 6. Monitor and review audit outcomes. Continuously monitor and review audit outcomes to ensure that implemented actions are effective and sustainable, and to identify areas for further improvement. In conclusion, effective compliance audits are essential for cultivating a culture of compliance and operational excellence within an organization. By integrating compliance audits into existing processes and procedures, organizations can identify areas for improvement, drive process enhancements, mitigate risks, and promote a culture of compliance, ultimately leading to continuous growth and development.